Hello friends, in this video tutorial let us see how to add a new chart area to an existing chart and let us see what are its uses. So for this let us go to SSDT. We have a blank report, so there is no tablix or there is no chart control added to this report, right? So let us first of all go and see the data set. So data set has a very simple query, select star from total sale. Now let us go and add a chart control. Okay, so let us say we want to add a line chart. Okay, let us expand the chart control. Right now let us see, we want to see the total number of items sold based on region. Okay, so now we are able to see the total number of items sold based on region. Now let us put data labels, right? So now we are able to see the total number of items sold as per Asia, Europe and North America. Okay, now let us add chart title, sales chart, this is region and this is items sold. Okay, so now this line chart looks to be okay. Now what if the user wants to analyze two things in the same chart? Okay, so let's say user also wants to analyze the total sold price, okay, side by side. That is, user wants to analyze what if the for region 1, that is for Asia, what is the sold price when the corresponding total sale is X amount, or what is the sold price when the total item sold is for Y amount, right? So let us say user adds total sold price, and now let us preview. Okay, and now let us add the data label suite. Now let us see. So now we can see that there is only one graph plotted, right? Actually there are two graphs plotted, but one is the difference between the data values is too high. This is only 10 and this is 3500 for Asia, right? So item sold is only 10 and sold price is 3500. Whereas for Europe the item sold is only 19, whereas the sold price is 8300. Whereas for North America the item sold is 11, whereas the sold price is 5500. So the thing is, although our intention was to plot a graph in which user can compare these two values in terms of graph, but the end result is not what we desired, or the end result is not what the end user desired, right? Because the two values are just not comparable to each other. There is a huge difference. In fact, the scale in which the two values operate is itself different, right? These values are in the range of tens and these values are in the range of thousands. So they are not just comparable. So hence, if you plot both the things in the same graph, then the end objective cannot be met, that is to compare both the values together in one graph cannot be met. So in such situations we can make use of an additional feature, okay, and that is, let us go over here and let us add a new chart area. Okay, so now a new chart area has been added. Now and let us transfer the sold price. Let item sold remain on the first chart, but let us transfer the sold price to the second chart area. Okay, so we need to go to chart area, and instead of default we need to select chart area 1. Okay, so now see, region is correct. On the x-axis we have region only, but on the y-axis it is no longer sold item sold, right? It is sold price. Okay, okay, so now let us view. So now the chart seems to be in a better condition, right? So let us just resize the chart. Okay, so that it displays the data properly. Okay, so let us expand the chart. Right now we are able to see a better chart, right? So now user can look at one single chart. This is actually a single chart having two chart areas. User can look at a single chart. Item sold is shown in the top portion, sold price is shown in the bottom portion, and user can make comparisons, right? So this is the way new chart area can be added and can be useful in an existing chart. Now this can also be converted into bar graph, right? And it can also have very useful in data information, right? So now user can easily look at both the graphs, right? And user can find and can compare or analyze the change in data values over here with respect to change in data values over here in the second graph, right? So in this way, adding a new chart area can be useful, okay, for data analysis of different values, right? So I hope friends this video tutorial is useful to you. Thank you.